That's so amazing, and it's so cool
Yeah.
to hear how you started at Innovata and just took it, you know, across the world essentially,
Yep.
and it brought you to Kuwait. So how long were you in Kuwait for?
Altogether, about 8.5 years.
Wow.
Yes.
And so then how was it different being in Kuwait from maybe, say, the States or the UK? I mean, what did you learn while you were there?
Well, when I got there, it was actually pretty easy to get my licensing transferred to
Wow.
there. So I worked for a clinical spa in Kuwait, and then that's when I kind of discovered I want to go a little bit further than just knowing natural skincare. So I left Kuwait, flew to Atlanta, Georgia, and I actually took a course with Institute Dermed in Atlanta, Georgia, and I got my MediClinical through them. So I got to know how to do more of the chemical peels and dermaplaning and all that.
So more of the
fun
advanced
stuff.
aesthetics.
Yes, this was back in 2005, I believe. And then I had gone back to Kuwait. They were opening up this 5-star hospital called the Royal Hayat Hospital in Kuwait. Brand new, is top of the line everything. And I got hired there as the medical director for the aesthetics department for the Royal Hayat Hospital.
Wow,
And
that sounds beautiful.
It was amazing. So that sort of got me into the next journey of working with physicians, dermatologists, plastic surgeons, and taking aesthetics to the next level.